guys, just Joe, as always, and yes, don't freak out. You can see my glow. Don't freak out. And we also got inside this quote about a new poster. That dot's actually a mouse, just so you know. Plan to see that. But anyways, guys, this is just a random video. I wanted to make because update and slide, which I got now. Slime. Okay, guys, I'm back and got my slime here. This is called Super Slime. Heard that one. So just take a look. Super slime. And yeah. So as you can tell, this is orange slime. And it's just normally now we've got 2 slimes, 3 slimes, 4 slimes, 5 slimes, 6 slimes, 7 slimes. Under these gold trunks, that's 2 golden nuggets. Flying on the gold eagle, flyer than the rest of them. Pass a space needle, golden shower on pedestrians. Excuse me, that's my bad, that's my ego. And he shouldn't have. My ego got here, that motherfucker got him all around. And it's gold. 2 girls go grass, bouncing on the water, beating with gold sand. Sipping on Gina, arms around in both hands. They're sipping old English right out of the gold can. 2 girls, gold spandex, so pretty. Girl ain't even gold, she just got golden girl titties. I'm kidding. Everyone is gold in my city. You pay Betty White gold, even Betty White can get it. Get it, get it, get it. They were feeling like gold, slick Rick gold, hella gold. And we stay fresh, so fresh. I got them. Gold slaughter faded 14 karat play, so we're feeling like gold. Slick Rick gold, hella gold. And we stay fresh, so fresh, head to toe. Gold slaughter faded 14 karat play, so we're feeling like gold. I just wanted to show you guys that I've got some and updates. So yeah. See you guys next time. Bye. Cute.